One coloring book. Welcome back to True World TV. Brand new movie. I want you to tell me what I go on. Because I remember one of my fans. Yo, I love you now. I swear to God. Yo, no did it with me. From nothing to something. So I have to bless up on you. Miss you wanna big up yourself. I want to tell you say Oxtail big up yourself. I'm not talking about Oxtail who cook me. I talk about one fans who always support me. But anyhow, you see a movie in name Wicked Wife. So I want to check it out. You see me and tell me what I want. One more thing. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. I want to big up the whole of the people in your movie. You see me? We support you like Tia, Alia, you see me, Chelsea, Puppy Dan, me myself, and Tibi. Big up on the whole of myself, my friend, actress and actor. Remember, True World TV for the people and only for the people. And big up my fans them, yard and abroad. One coloring book. Room, I'm out. Father God, I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this, Father God. Every woman coming in my life break my heart. Father God, me know say no woman not perfect. And even me not perfect. But none of the woman them can't see me I want good youth. Me I want youth to work hard and make sure so they're alright, they're happy. Why? Father God, why? If this a woman me having in my life, my wife feel like she are the one. And it look like the whole of them are the same thing. That's why sometimes when some man say they don't like woman, you want to come like they don't like the world of woman. But sometimes I just one woman or two women just mess up a man's life. Father God, why?
Babes! So babe, let the door open so if you're on a back or something, I can't go in for a little place open so. Babes!
Babes, we're on here up on the block.
Oh.
Babes. Oh, go on.
There. Oh, you look so like you did a sleep or you cry or something.
You know, so me never in a sleep, me just in a cry.
What happened?
You know, so to be honest, I just in a cry looking at my life, my wife, when me engaged and when me married. Just a cry and I say, oh, you are one good woman, you are one good wife, and you mean so much to me in my life. So I just cry, I just overjoy, man, and I just happiness, I just in a cry. But, babes, I don't call her, you know, I call her at the workplace, and him say you leave already. I'm not talking about you here pull up, so how can you cry? But, babes, I know this is a hairstyle, you leave. Where are your uniform there? How you found this so like you're sweaty and something, babes?
You take time with me now, you ask me so much question in a one. And me and my friend them, two of my girlfriend them, we go on one little road trip like. So we did a play and you know tussle and then look away there so
I pull up here and cry up yourself.
Yeah, one of them drag me chain so because you know ramping.
Babes, alright, I understand. But you should have called me or text me and tell me. Remember say we are not we have a relationship with a wife and husband. We have to know we one another move. And I say me I watch her or you watch me. But if you call me and tell me say you got a sub and something up, me can call and find out if you're alright. You see me?
I understand what you're saying.
Me never cook, you know.
So, I not tell us if you cook till I come back.
As me say, me just overjoy of tears, so, you know. But anyhow, if you want to look about something, I'm going to look about something for you.
You can't look about it. Alright, make it stay, it's alright.
Alright, come on. Alright. Let's kick it, see him, you know.
I put me that for you, man.
My son hot, babes.
The sun hot for true, man.
Very hot, you know, say. Me kind of realize, say, they with that woman, on good something that, good vibe. But when you graduate from there with a person, and then you engage and marry a person, a totally different something and come like you left primary and go in high school. So I just tell you, say, for me, your wife and husband thing, it's not go easy. But as long as you're real to one another, love one another, trust one another, and believe in one another, you will get through, you see me?
As I talk about trust, you know, so for the day, me kind of, I don't know, me not feel like you have one ex-woman.
You know, feel me? Because me have one next woman.
And that me say, me know me never stutter when me talk.
Yes. Me never cheat on you before me engage and marry you. So why now me turn you in a wife and marry you? Why am I cheat now?
Wife not have nothing to do with cheat.
Okay, maybe you're right. But why? If me never in a cheat, then why am I cheat now?
Me I tell us say you cheat and you know you cheat. So stop denying. Stop denying and stop act like you don't know what me I talk about. Because me see you in here and your phone all a ring and you not answer like your woman a call you. I mean I like them style there.
Wife.
Girl act strange from other day. Me don't know what wrong with you.
Listen, Tia, listen me. When you bring a bike or a car or a taxi for some people license for 6 months and some people are here. You see when me bring my heart come give you, me never license for 6 months or a year. Me license for the rest of my life. You see when me go down on insurance, I never me alone upon insurance. And me and you. The point where me I try to say, all the way you blame me for it don't make no sense. Me have my receipt. My receipt when me have me there so with you. If you gonna work, you come back and see me. Cause trade work me don't make you left anytime. Why am I cheat? Me don't have no reason for cheat.
B, I'm not talking about not even call you B. Cause you see right now, my head not even feel like it upon my body. That's why I did have to go with my friend them, you know. Just to clear my head. Talk to somebody about it.
Oh, what you tell me say B? You tell me say you have a problem with me and me are the last person to know. My wife, your friend they know about me and your problem. All one problem I did before me know. I know some married go babes.
I just did want somebody to talk to. You understand what I say? So me just go to work and then me just left and just decide say alright, me and link up my friend and talk to her.
So what me and you do now? A cuss, we are arguing, no talk, we are talk babes. You can't carry business out the road. All no business did about we are married couple. And no corner league we are playing a relationship, we are playing Super League, World Cup. You can't carry business out the road. Your friend pass me a road now and start look at me and laugh now.
You think I pick me keep as friend for them to see and they laugh off of you?
Listen, you don't want to look like we are argue, we are cuss, we are fight. But me just tell her say, Everybody have them personal life, them personal business. Everybody have them problem. Me and you have a problem. Them have them problem. Keep your problem right as up. Keep it. We done a left out a RM court, a circuit there now. Keep yourself. Neither the judge or the police or the witness me no want to know about it. The only somebody to know about me your problem are me and you and Father God be. Listen. Babes. Me not cheat on you. Me no need to tell a lie. Me no want one burn, I want hide it. When me go out the road, me write in my forehead. Me proud to be a one burner. Me not cheat, be. Get that out of your head. You see me? Anytime you bathe, just bathe after. Me not cheat. I swear to God. Me a one proud one burner. You know one proud one burner?
Very proud.
So you see? So just dash that, man. Just don't think them things, man. Me have so much things that go on in my life. You know me I think about? I tell you what me I think about. I think me need. I think me need to put you on the life insurance. Yes, about that. Tell us me
that sound good. What? I'm tell us something, babe.
Well, I'm babe. Yeah, do it again. Do it again.
Let me tell you something.
Yes.
You know why I feel like I married you for your money?
I know.
I know you know.
I know.
So
babes.
maybe I'm me overreact. Like you cannot cheat, you know, but sometimes.
Who does that?
Babe, sometimes your mind play games with you. You understand what I'm
Both
saying?
of us. Both of us.
So we have to just move forward and just let go certain things.
You and me move forward, let go certain things while we down dirt, sweep it out.
Sweep it out.
Yeah. So thanks say, you know, cause we have to argue sometimes, that's what wife and husband do. So we have to argue sometimes, talk, make love, cuddle. You know what I mean? And one more thing we need to ask up. You never tell me what kind of baby you like, you know, boy or girl.
You know, say, I like girl baby dog.
Oh, he come like you know when you like.
I like girl baby.
Yeah, but if boy come, we're gonna love him same
way.
But you know, thanks here we have a little argument and we talk about it. So I will go out the road, just take care of local business and I'm gonna be back. Hold on. Just keep my heart in forward here. Please. Don't make it get lonely.
No, I'm not doing it.
Alright, my son come here. My wife here.
Alright, husband.
Yeah. LOVEYOU. I know. Oh my God.
Alright, later. Hello. Girl, look how long me a call you. From morning me a call you, you know. Me no want to hear what you have to say. Shut up your mouth, because you idiot girl. Shut up, man. A matter of fact, meet me back at the same spot where you did meet me last time. Idiot girl. Fool like that. Wait. Wonder if you find out. Wonder if you might pray me. Wonder if you might pray nothing. Alright. Plan B. Plan B in action.
Okay.
Where are you, father?
One thing again, you always are working. Always are work, bro. What going?
There, man, big up yourself, man.
There, man.
Yo, may I shake you and I tell you if you feel weak. What going on, good?
Why, may I tell you, you know, sometimes you win $1 million, you feel like you're unhappy. But by an idea like money, you know, make you happy.
Hold on. Say win $1 million, father?
Why?
Congratulations, man. I have to you, man. Big up yourself, man.
I not really win $1 million. Me just say, bro, you know sometimes people mind run.
Yeah, cause all the time my mind run.
Alright, before me say all of this, you know, so one time I have a brethren where them say him do a crime and I never him do the crime, but them pick him up and carry him
down a station,
put him on the identify parade and then point him out. And when them point him out, all him family them left him side, left him foot, but you believe in himself and believe in our one girl we have.
Yeah.
And the lawyer tell the youth say that the lawyer represent for the youth, tell him say, not because them point you out and say you see me, you're innocent till proven guilty a court. So me I said that to say this, bro. Me just feel like the woman a cheat. A matter of fact, I apology my wife.
That your wife where you live with. Me no want to say a stupid question, but me I feel ask your wife where you live with up a yard there.
Wife where me live with, boy.
You feel like she a cheat?
You never see a big man ball?
Only for time, bro.
Just ball like a baby. Me
so
ball.
Serious something then? Oh yo, for your wife. To you deal with for your wife and how you love your wife and how me see your wife love you like. Me no feel like your wife a cheat. You sure?
That are the point where bother me. You want come like me see you going at the yard. And when me see you going at the yard, somebody tell me say, you and the woman over there talk.
But you're not sure.
But me not sure, but me see you going at the yard, but me never see any woman in our communication. Bro. So that a way I bother me now. I don't want jump.
To conclusion, me explain something to you. Now where I say this come like a same situation me did go through with me and my wife.
That's why me come and talk to you.
And that's why me and my wife divorced. Cause what you know? Me did I feel like my wife did a cheat, you know. You see me that overthink about it.
When you and your wife divorce, you know, it hurt me if you know say me thought you have a good wife, you know. And me up on the side, you know, so my bridge in a ball and a cry. Me just say that to show you, so the same thing me I go through now.
I tell her say, me did it and me overthink about it. So my time me there on her, like, me no feel like the same person anymore because so my time she will come in a happy moment with me about me sad because me I wonder if she real to me. So how me get to the end night now, one of my brethren introduced me to one brethren. You understand where I go up on one app and give me an app. And you see the app, I want app where you can find out some details about your woman if
like
your woman
private investigator.
Private investigator. So they me go up on the app.
Them thing real?
Of course. I hit me
you
find
going
out.
to comment and everybody show say yo
Real, I hit me real. Me do it for myself and so me get the proof about my wife.
Proof.
Yeah man, so me I tell yourself me go up on the app. The private investigator. A couple of them, you know, but you have some solid pan and job. So you want to, when me get to deal with my job, you solid pan in work. Me I tell you, me get picture, me get proof, me get everything.
As a married man, you feel like the right thing me to do, you feel like me to do it?
Well, if you tell her the truth,
me just need to know where me stand in the relationship.
And you're sure your heart can manage it. If you go so alone, me no feel like you go so. Cause your wife, me not think your wife for that.
My heart need to can manage it to know where me stand. To know if she good or she bad. To know if me I make a mistake. To know if me I judge her. But me can't say something to you. You know if you tell her the truth, me I call her. When me call her workplace, them saying leave. A car pick him up. You know, done the song. Me I call him friend them, none of them friend them now answer, but them up online. Anyway,
ignore you.
Me not say nothing. Me get some proof and me ball like a baby. The proof not enough. Me ball like a baby.
But you still want a better proof.
Still want a better proof. More exhibit 1, not exhibit 2 or exhibit 3. More exhibit 1.
You wanna?
Well on there. So she come home. And when she come home, she said, babes. But me never sure if she is, so me never answer. The second time she said, babes, wipe off my face because I know when she see me cry. And she come home.
And
she come around her back, around her block. And she ask me why I cry. At the first in my life, I lie to my wife. I tell him say me I cry because I love him. And he's a good man in my life, but deep down inside, I lie.
That.
When I look on his ear, he pull up. His head cry, neck crawl. In front like when two goat, ram goat and
what this
goat,
man?
a communication. But him just brush it off I'm just laugh it off and I hug her up. I go in at the house. The worst thing about the whole situation, she a tell me say me a cheat.
When you know say she a cheat, like you have it in your head say yo.
Remember say what day I go license insure me one burner, you know. Me have proof say me a one burner, you know. I walk with it in my Bible, in my wallet, in my pocket. When the girls them see me, me say, married man, you ringing at them face.
But say I saw me did lie for me, you know. I remember say me and my woman left, you know, she gone with some of my things them, even though whenever they feel long or they feel 6 months.
So,
even care we have.
You feel so the right move, me make you feel like me a one boy or me a one man by doing it.
Know, yeah, my brother, you know, I love you as my brother, you know. I mean, who don't want me to give you the app, and then if you're a woman, go left if you find out something for real, me have it in my heart, I know say you want me give you the app and me can't your woman left. But here what I go on, me still can't grow now because me no want you there around and I get hurt. Someone you know if you get
That's
hurt.
what I'm talking about.
So, me I go make you get the app.
I know.
Make you get the private investigator number, the one I me did work with them, and right. They work solid.
Just send your number to my phone and send it up.
No problem.
And yo, as I say, I just need to know.
Yeah man,
I just don't want to stress out myself.
Make me know also.
Me need to know.
Make me know also.
Yo, all it for respect.
Go on, all them. I remember, you know. You can call me, you know, man. Any night you're up and down, sleep and want your bridging for reason, you know. Just call me, man.
All it
If
for
I
respect, my father.
drink and sit down and normal, you see me?
Respect.
Go on, all them, my father. Here.
One more thing. I swear to God. I wish when me get that person number, the investigator, and link him up, I wish say nothing no go so. Because I don't want to start all over again, bro.
Because yo, you know
the second, third relationship when I go through, I want to get hurt.
Every woman when me know you talk to get hurt with, you know. One of them kind of fall in your life and if you say, yo, you want good youth. Alone no woman not too loyal nowadays, youth. God, man.
God, yeah.
Go on, Wally. Remember, you know, even if something goes so, it's a life. I greatest. When you have a life, you can overcome anything, any obstacles in your way.
Mother road, God road, man. Here.
But me no feel nothing go so.
Alright, thanks.
Go on, Wally, see me. Here.
Bless up.
Jaja, you know, I tell you, all your hope and the same situation and me going for my friend I go through.
You know, say I want big idiot girl though. You know though. Me not tell her to meet me a regular spot. So if me never see somebody on the road and ask you, they have to tell me don't know say they yard.
Me text you and tell us me now get to come and say if you meet me up on my yard. Maybe a Wi-Fi get problem or something.
Yo, me don't like your style, you. That you don't even know, brother. Me don't like your style. You're too big and fool. Listen what me say now. Girl,
Me
a matter of fact, girl, me a chat to you on the phone. Give me phone. Me a talk to you. Listen now. You remember I think when me tell you some more you deal with?
No. What that?
Big idiot girl. And when me and you talk about it, it's same thing with my man.
Oh, me no want to do that, you know. I mean, that's the reason why I want to do that. You have a nice husband. Why you want to pay me if you look him? If you get dirt on him, that don't make no sense.
That's not your business. I know you're concerned that. You get a job, you do the job. Simple as that. And a matter of fact, your ugly sick mama not in need of the money. It work where you work down the road. That can pay doctor bill for your mother. That can fill prescription.
Tia, let me tell you something now. Not because me I want a soft person and me I want a violent person means say I go talk about my mother like that, you hear? You see, all the reason why me I go do this right now is because my mother sick and she need the medication. So nobody can talk with my big ugly. Look here.
No. Girl, I know me you talk to. I could have never me. You know what? You see before me dirty out here, let me deal with you.
Just remember saying me want something for done and you want it for done.
I may want it for done, right? But who in need of the money? Not even a no long talking with you. I don't no long talking with you. Here? Hold that. That have to do your job.
What? Me not take up that, you know? Me not take it up.
No, not take
Me
up
not
it.
taking it up.
Not take up it. Your mother will take up it because she need it.
Give me my phone too. Give me my phone.
No, make that pass. But let me tell you something. Me need to focus on the job. A job me give you to do, me not tell you to fall in love with me man. Me not tell her that. Else you gonna know other part of me here.
Father God, why? Why me have been in this situation? Yeah? Just because I'm my mother. I make have my mother sick. And this a little punk have a good man and I can pay people for it. Because a man nice and good to him. No make you want nothing.
Yo, my general.
Yeah, my father.
Yeah, you told me talk to you on the phone.
Yeah, man. Pop it on.
Pump it and send it.
Yeah, my general.
No violation and no disrespect. Pull up your shot.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Alright, come over here so we talk, please.
Yeah, man. Respect and manners.
All the time, man.
Yeah.
So when you say you want to get done now, my general. You can mash up people relationship. And you can fix people relationship and you can last them. You can also dash them with you.
No, man. Me no want nobody for dash, man. No. Dash, put him back. Me no want nobody for dash, my father, man.
So you say, what you want to get done?
Alright, here we go on. Alright, me have a wife, married, couple of years now. But me have a little information say she a cheat on me. But the information not much. To get her out of my life. So I pop it and I show me. Say him in at the same spot and I you him link. You see me, give me the app to go up online. And I realize say when I go in at the comment and everything, I realize say oh no good pan what I do. You see me? So I saw my link, I just want to find out if I'm wrong or my wife right, if my wife a cheat on me. Cause really and truly, I pray if you investigate and me no want to know say she a cheat. Me just pray say I'm wrong. But by any idea, if I'm right, me still don't want to know because I don't deserve this, I deserve better. So basically that's what I want to do. You see me?
Okay. Really and truly, you know. Pop it on my biggest client, you know.
Yeah man, him tell me about that man.
Okay, so you have any? Give me some info.
Alright, information like she, right?
Yeah, give
To
me
her.
some info.
Alright.
Give me name.
Okay, well, him name, you know, sir, Tia Thomas.
Alright.
Yeah, a matter of fact, Miss Tia Thomas. Him work up the beach, Royalton.
Marital.
Yeah, him have couple of friends, but his right hand friend and his left hand friend and his middle friend are Chelsea.
Okay.
Yeah, and she hang out, sometimes she hang out at her workplace, Jungle. Sometimes he got scrubber dub, and sometimes him down a Burger King kind, sometimes he love to eat. Me not talk eat with ear and teeth, you know. Yeah, basically I eat that.
Alright, give me a number.
Well, number is 452 91 82 25 30 50 90. That's our number.
Okay. Like how you have my number, I want to shut a picture with me.
Yeah, our fair picture.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shut
yeah,
a
man.
picture.
Alright, I'm here now.
Say.
Yeah, man.
So, why
Yeah,
you so
say.
nervous?
Actually, at first, me never do this before.
No, man, I know you're only customer come here so nervous.
Yeah, man, I'm a week, man. I just want to find out if she a cheat for me.
So, you're sure you want to do this?
Well, I'm not sure, you know, but I'm sure I want to find out the truth when me stand in the married.
A whole heap of people come here so innocent, you know. Some guilty. So, you're on the boss, you see that step there, you climb up. $10,000 for walking step, you know.
10,000 walk up the step.
Trust you see me.
So I have to pay if you see you.
Remember, I'm a professional, you know. Puppy them not tell about me.
Oh, yeah. But you need to tell me that about it. Come like you slip him. Or you end up on the laptop. But anyhow, how I feel?
10,000.
Jamaican.
Jamaican.
US.
US. And if you see me, 2,000 US. If you see me alone. Like if you have my account, if you want to send it through my account, or you want to give me a passport, it's up to you. But me one thing for sure, you move someone, you're nervous, so?
Good man, good man, good.
Sure.
Yeah man, good.
She says I try new, you know. I like help people too, you know.
Me too.
So boss you. See money me ask you for. Say if you can give me half now in a Jamaican.
Yes.
And give me next half after your job after my job get done. You can give me now if you have a passport.
Alright, me have been a Jamaican. Me have give a fee and half in Jamaican. Where you have a chat me. Yes, boss. But I fee. Yes, boss. That are the way you have to charge me half. That 4 what on the step. Can you walk, come up? I hear that then.
Yeah man, nice business doing it too.
Yeah man, respect man, every time.
Can't leave, man.
Yeah.
But I get too scared, man. So how do you do this? So nobody get too scared, man.
So them the man you move a real professional, you know. See the man you. Don't get too scared. Man I move like a Jamaica band, you know. If you gone, come now and go there go see you good, you know. Chelsea, what happened?
There I go and easy myself.
Well, come out I
Where
man.
I go?
Well, you know, so me there, me just go up the road and forward block.
Is it?
Yeah, man.
Oh, wifey.
Well, you know, so wifey alright, you know. She over here there, you know, me just leave her over here there.
Oh, what then I go check her? But me happy me see you. You look good, you know. All married life with your
Yeah,
watch
man,
belly.
thank you a lot, man. I guess wifey take very good care of me.
Oh.
Yeah, my deal with me like tax office. Yeah, my God.
Tell me what it boy, man. I what things me and sit down and share.
Go and share it.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God. Good when you can share out it, you know.
Of course.
So how things with you, how the work and everything?
We balance, man. Life good. And we have to give God thanks for that. You understand?
Very. But you know, sir, to be honest, from what you may say, cause you know, my baby I tell me a lot of good stuff about you guys. Cause she all tell me say, yo, no, go out, go have a nice time, you know, drink and everything. So, you know, you tell me say your wife go out.
Oh, yeah. What do you? We go have a drink and we there hang out a little bit. Little ramping going, you know, woman and woman their place and little excitement and we over drink a little bit. So, yeah, we kind of mellow, but we there all the vibes.
All him neck crowd.
Well, when I tell you they grab up and then sing this
That
time,
is a very good ramping. All in here pull up on them thing there.
Here pull up on them thing there.
Yeah, man.
Well,
here pull up.
as we say a couple of we well we did outside.
And he's sweaty too.
We did have fun.
Oh, that is
no,
a
sweat is a must.
fun. Oh,
sweat
God,
is a
man.
must.
I guess only nice
like
sun.
business there and pull up your business.
Yes.
Yeah, then sitting there going sometime.
Yeah, man, when I ramping at the sun. Boy, I'm like when couple. So your next friend there?
You know, so she there about, but I know she me come about, and your wife me I go check. Me want to reason with her about something, she has something to talk to me about.
A long time I don't see your next
check
friend in a big batty one when you cock up so. Every time when I look so, I look so.
her. Yeah, cock up so?
Yeah.
You take note?
Well, I don't really take note in just how you look.
Oh.
But we say I will check wifey.
Yeah, I go over there go check wife because I have something to talk about.
So hold on there. But I not see no ring. Yeah, your wifey apart. I not see no ring. I went because I like cake, you know. I like cake.
Oi, and a ring do it, man.
And a ring.
No, and a ring do it. We do things silent sometimes,
Yes.
you know.
That
You
is it,
understand?
that is- I
Yeah, for
know,
me, silent,
I know.
silent speak for me.
I know.
Yeah.
But it's good to be serious, you know.
Yeah.
Man, big up yourself, man. Hold up respect, man, and take care of wife if you mean, you know.
Do your thing, man.
Yeah, man. You see
Wife
me?
a wife, you know. And wife get good treatment.
Yeah, I
You
know,
understand?
I know.
But they're gonna make a move one night. But wait, Colin Book.
Yes.
You know, so what day me see your wife at work and he stress out himself in her bathroom.
My wife?
Yeah, I mean, I wonder what happened to her and me a question and me ask her, say, what happened to you? And she don't want to talk to me. Me have to get serious with her and she say,
So what happened?
she say, you know, so me feel say, my husband a cheat for me. Me say, cheat for me, you know.
Me a cheat? How you spell cheat? Me
True,
can't
true,
spell,
true.
me can't spell it.
Me have to look at him and say, no man, Colin Book, no do that. Me not see Colin Book as in the kind of man there. Your husband you talk about, you know.
So
and
you are telling me say me not cheat?
me I tell you, say, me not think you're gonna
Jamaican man not
Me
cheat?
not think you cheat on him,
No,
brother.
me couldn't do that. Who does that?
I know this!
No.
Me know say you're not doing this
So
thing
when
because me
you
know you
call
love
me
your
and
wife.
tell me.
Coulda call you and tell you. Because you know what? Girls talk and
Yeah,
your
true.
wife.
Yes.
So me can't get involved in that kind of.
True.
You understand?
But you're involved, because you're
Yes.
friend.
I know this. But me have to left you guys to deal with that. When she ready, she will come around and talk to me as a friend. You understand?
So I'm
But
don't
Colin
tell
Book,
her. Yes.
on a big woman level, you're not cheat on your wife.
Yuck. That is so disgusting. I'm not a cheater. I'm a lover, not a cheater. I'm a fighter.
I'm crazy. I
Come on,
know this.
Don't do that.
Me I go check your wife.
Yeah, man. And
Right?
hug him up for me. Tell him say me soon come. Cause
Big
when
up
me
yourself,
not leave, me take out my heart and give him.
And he have you over there?
He have you over there, but don't touch it.
No, me not touch it.
All right.
I
Have a
know
nice
I know
day. Here.
Yeah, me
Big
not.
up yourself.
Yeah, man. Enjoy your day. See it? Respect.
Yeah, man. What's in the dark must come out in the light.
Tia.
What's up? Girl, come here.
What?
We there, man. What's
I
up?
got a good friend. What?
We there, man. You good?
Yeah, me good. We have news for you.
And me have sauce to give too. I really sauce, but me have news to give, but... Alright, you go first.
No, you go first. You
Girl.
go first, girl. You go first.
Let me save the best to last. You go first,
We
man.
just pass your husband up in the road. So.
Mm,
Yeah, girl. Me need that reason a little bit. I'm telling you, I come check you. But you know what? He must have told me, say, what day you come home and you never comfortable with how you look. Your hair pull up, you're sweaty, and you're not even having your uniform.
So, what you tell him?
Me have to cover for your girl. Me have to tell him, say, you did with their work and we did go on with yourself and we have few drinks and we did tipsy and sitting and I go on with yourself. Like a ramping did the night because a couple of we did hang out. And your uniform did nasty up and sitting and you have to change your clothes. Because your clothes nasty up. And you know, say, girl, me have to cover for you. Because me know, say, I know the first time you got a hotel with him, man.
Stop going so mad.
I don't want to stop going to nothing. Me have to cover for you.
Girl,
Every time.
that's what best friends are for. And that's why, guess what? That's why you almost me tell everything, you know. Because me I tell you, say, Keisha and Tanya, they would cover for me, so they not cover for me, you know, but they can't tell life to save their life. So thanks.
You're welcome again. You better hurry up, come in and cover for you no more time. But girl, come to think of it. You know, say even though you cheat on your husband look good, you know, you have all belly. You say around and look good.
Hello. More hello. My husband alone and my fool that you know. And my zuzu pet. Me not even know if you call you. I'm an idiot that.
You have too much name for your husband, brother.
But put that aside now. What me have to tell you now? You remember a brown girl from down a hotel where everybody have her as a come around?
Which brown girl that?
You know a thick girl, man, where you can send her go do any little thing and he does jump. If I say jump, he say how high. From a hotel.
Your hotel mattress, hotel, bicycle, cut car, mattress business.
Yes, we have our mother was sick. Yes.
What about she now?
If I ever tell you, say, I pay the girl a money, fill up my man, my husband.
What you say?
And that me say, I pay her me give her half of the money 1st, right?
Yes.
This morning. But the idiot they want to take it. But when I bring up about her sick, ugly mama, down there with fool where nah no sense cause she just like me husband. Fool you can just, so, you have him pan in finger so. Wrap round. Anyways, I tell her say, I want she there with husband, right? But I really them want she there with him, you know, like love thing, you know. And some information, some things me gather, for give me liar evidence, for give me liar, so me can have little dirt on him, so he can easily divorce him. You understand? Can you have a reason for divorce, right? You can just get up and
Hold on, pop quiz. You know say, me like how you play your husband. You're going with yourself doing that here. You really are going with yourself.
you don't know half it yet. Here? A foreign, you know. When you have a married couple, you know, any one of them cheat, you know. You know, so then go in front of the judge are the one who cheat now get nothing. Them not have nothing to forget. So I see me I do that's why I pay the little idiot girl for make my man cheat. You understand? So me have that the dirt upon him so me can get everything. And if I have a half, I win one. You think me I play?
You go hard door, you go deep.
Me I go there.
Dirt, you say you look dirt.
Girl, you know for that, cause bush have ears. And me must say pass me man, I got a shop. No so?
Yes.
So you can come back at any time. So me don't want to come back and hear my plans.
No, you don't want to know nothing about your conversation.
Me can't make it no girl, then it not go ruin.
You're going with yourself. Anyways, me I go about my business because me have somewhere going. We'll catch up with a good girl.
Alright, for me.
Later.
Alright. And I between me and you. Alright. I'm a bonafide friend.
Babes, my wife, you know, say, me never try, so me not really good at it. Me don't know if I lie. So me just gotta tell you the truth. You know, so yesterday when Chelsea, me see Chelsea yesterday, you know, when me not go up the road, I don't know if him tell you. But me see him and, you know, me know why you're mad at me still, but me just have to tell you the truth. Because this is not a regular relationship, this is a wife. You know, husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Well, anyway, you're not go mad at me. You're not go vex with me. Alright, let me just tell you. Anyway, I see Chelsea and, you know, me not go up the road and the first thing he asks me about you. So I say, why if you over here, man? You see me? So he must say, boy, you know, say, me like how me look and them thing there. So me I say Chelsea, you know, say I want to ask you something all over and he must say anything. So me say, why your wife ain't tell me say after I left work, you know, no go have a drink and them thing there. Cause me I say wife in a curl up and here, pull up and he's sweaty. So he tell me so in a ramp and you know how to go up here and curl up. So you know everything where you tell me I same thing where she tell me. So me just sorry if you me have to go ask her but make it look like me not trust you, you know. Because you know we are man, we mind run all the time. You understand? So I'm sorry about that.
B.
Yes.
We're not boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yeah.
We're husband and wife.
I know.
If you ask me one question and me tell you something, why you can't just believe me? You have to get second opinion. Me tell you say me and the girl go out. Are you gonna ask her again?
Me wrong. Me apologize. Come like gonna take off a shirt off a line and put it on the wrong side. That's so me wrong. Me sorry. So me I go back on the right side, you know. Sorry about that here.
So your heart come down now?
You come down for any time when you tell me the right house party for there, you know, your blood pressure not high and your blood pressure not low. We are the right spot. You understand?
But anyways, yesterday she tell me still say she see you.
Yes.
Yes, she told me.
So what you say? So what you not talk about?
We are talk about you. She say, oh, me take care of you, you look good and you have married man belly.
I true you're talking about babes.
Yes.
Come and tell me how me nice for my belly, big married man belly and how you take care of me and I true you
Me
talk.
said the whole time she did for about 20 minutes and we are talking
You might chat about me 20, oh, you rate me babes.
One of the time she always said to me, say, you know, say, me dying to get married. Me like how your husband live as such a go.
Him say me go married.
Me say,
You know,
me
say,
can't believe.
you know, so I chew me hold in hand and look pan in two and my sister no ring it up on me. I say you nah get married. Now see your best friend married. We are wait pan.
Me say, mama say, she a think about to get married because she love how me and you live. She love how me loyal and you loyal.
Yes. Anytime I'm married, make him put pan the list. Black Forest cake. And that
Forest.
one that me like.
Black
Cause me love cake, you know. Babes don't know, so me have to go married again anytime I reach. We what 10 year or 5 year anniversary, we have to go married again.
We have to go
Come on,
renew
let me
for,
cake.
yes.
But anyway, babes, me glad we say, you know, we live. And we are not the best married couple, but we are in the top 100. So, you know, me kind of love that.
Yes, baby.
Boy,
yes.
I mean, you're most glad you have one husband like me.
Me glad. Me glad.
Why me not
Trust
think
me,
you're glad
me
like
glad.
me?
No, for sure.
Me glad sometimes me ball. Sometimes I when me wake up in water, whole of the bed wet up. Me have to wonder if I water wet up the whole of bed or babes, but hold on there. Why do you when you wash your sheet in the ring?
You know, said it smell well.
I mean, no, say me dream, so me piss up myself in a babes.
Pissy bed.
Well, me don't know if I piss me piss bed that. Me ask if I piss me piss catch you, me not dream boy you. That's when me dream boy you, me nervous, you know.
So you dream about me and pee in the bed?
Them babes, look. Them babes. Then look what they want me and you make love. You wear me anxious and you say, 1 minute me chin off, babes. And me a no 1 minute man. Anxious, me anxious. Anytime me around you, me nervous. Look at. Me nervous till my front teeth drop out when me around you. Jesus Christ, boy.
God. B, me I tell her, me love you, me love you, me love you bad.
You love me? How much time you love me? Boy, me love you, me love you, me love you, me love you, me love you. Me love you, me love you. Hey, how much time me love you, baby? Oh God, man. Hey, me love you. You was salt now, I love me after you.
What if I love that man?
What if I love you, know? Remember say salt going every party, no morning, noon, and evening, you know. Boy, me love you. So we are going to do an idea.
You know, so I'm not even sure yet. Maybe I go up on the road.
I know, so me just I think about if we go check puppy then.
So no good thing that I can go up on the road, man. And
So you're not going to work?
I'm not sure, maybe.
So hold on, so them all
Me
leave
have
for
to
now,
go.
so.
Eh?
Oh no, leave for now. You know, got a couple of days when you got to work and you still look on the road.
I don't know, time slow and now season slow.
Alright. But you're good different though.
I'm good, man.
Alright, go ground, come here go pick up my phone and go up on the road.
Alright.
Boy, me can't eat jam me up, man. You know weak to you, me can't get up on my own. Lord God.
Come, baby, come.
Oh boy. Now, give me a hug. You can't carry me brother, so? You can't carry me?
Me can't carry at all.
Make sure I don't carry you, because me weak to you, you know. Lord God.
So you can't catch it. Alright. Come on, Fabian now. Come back. Oh, she comes in. In the tea house, man. Excuse me, sir. Can you give me a minute? 1 minute. Yeah. 1 minute. You know, say as some clothes me wash me sick mother and me kind of want to take up the pan and put this about it heavy. Me can't manage. You can help me with it, please, me a beg you.
Yeah man, sure. Where you want to go?
Right over there.
Right this up?
Yeah. Thanks very much, car. Mother really sick, man. And
Yeah man, that good man.
yeah, move so fast. I didn't remember say thanks properly.
Oh, sorry. Yeah man, you can't say thanks.
Thanks, how are you name?
We call me Omar, otherwise coloring book.
Oh, coloring book. Thanks again, I hear.
Yeah man,
I
good.
really appreciate it.
Yeah man.
So you move so fast.
Lady, want you? Me help you already.
You said thanks already, me I go about my business. Warm to you?
So you move so fast.
Chacha. The moment I know what do you want to do.
Then you know say man don't want to cheat. Wait. Sure. Go buy me Fabia.
Oh, go on.
Where are you, my father?
Everything good over here there?
I know say your number me look for my contact you. Are you say me that go short because I wonder why you no link me back and tell me if you did do good.
Well like that, me come if you link about me father come link about but me I want if everything going over here there. Everything good over there?
Yeah man, everything good man.
Cause from you live over this side I first me see out by your gate.
Dirty sir.
No, not dirty like I first me see you stand up on your gate. You know people stand up on your gate.
Oh yeah man, me normal man, you know say different list. Me I wait for a little client to one night time.
Client?
Yeah man.
You want to go doctor?
No man, I want a client to come link me man.
Oh, people them a dial on the phone, scam.
The most woman a come link me.
They know that you fi say man, me no know look a young boy thing them, you know. So woman a come link you.
Yeah man.
They know that you fi say man. But anyhow, you know so me if link you from over there. I saw the man number where you give me away. You send me to go up online and you send me the app. The man look like him a murderer.
No man, you know say I just professional and the man the professional and the man the deal with business
So
different.
gun the man have license, gun the
Yeah
man have.
man, life if I am the man they not trust nobody you know.
The man in a jacket and suit.
Yeah man, I saw the man they operate they
The
not
man
trust
have
nobody.
one face and he look like a tree. Cause when I time I look on him, doso. And the man a look doso and I look doso.
Yeah man, he always on point, he always a look out
The
and
man
he
even trust me, you know, the man.
even me not trust neither. Even though with me and him work couple times, he not trust me. I saw them man they move
The
man.
man, I wish I saw my relationship in professional, like in business professional. You see, when I go up online, I'm going at the comment, the people must say, thank you. And you make me get you, my wife a cheat.
Yeah man, I must say I make me catch my wife. Wife a deal with me certain way too, you know.
But I saw the man there.
Yeah man, the price heavy man.
Me have to pay money for the man
Fi
time
see
to
him,
see.
right,
When you say name, Flea. When you say name, Flea. Fee.
Fee. You have to pay one fee.
I use him and have to pay now. Actually, me nervous the man I say. Alright, give me a Jamaican.
Yeah man, I tell him man.
Boy, but anyhow, me say he text me if you not text him.
No,
You see how when the man a left? When the man a left, the man pop off.
And I walk and I look round. I move first or you move first?
He said me can't move first.
Yeah man, them man they not trust people, you know if you have set them up. I saw them, I tell you, I saw them man they operate.
Me like a professional, so me know. But to tell you the truth, you know, I swear to God, the way me love this woman, and me couldn't mind all of me waste money, me know. Me couldn't mind in and cheap.
She not cheap, brother. I not tell
But
her
me,
that she
boy, me
not cheap.
still want to know. You know, so if you tell you the truth, big man thing. You know, say, why you me up a yard? Because I remember me not share priest, and my mind say, my new friend God. God have a good time, and I didn't believe him. Because he neck crop, here pull up and he smell more little. You know, look, you know, the ram goat and she go, look, smell when I'm active in a pen.
Right.
Yeah, but me see in friend. In friend, you know, in best friend man who are right and left and Miglan man.
Oh,
him best
yeah.
friend.
Chelsea. Yeah, man,
yes.
I know her, man.
Chelsea then go out for show man, and ramp, pull up, set up and
Oh,
something.
so I lie, she tell.
Yeah, no lie, man.
Then I'll make that tell it to man, say,
He
oh, man, nah do that, man.
He not
Nah do
cheat.
that,
Jamaica
man.
woman not cheat.
No, Jamaica
And,
woman don't cheat.
And Jamaica man not cheat.
Well, some of Jamaica woman.
Well, true. Some of them.
Because you know, say me and you, we not cheat on we woman, and them a cheat on we.
If you woman, you cheat on you know.
What we do, you man.
I mean, I want to go through where you go through, you know, cause, yo, boy, me I tell you, boy, if you just think about it, say, woman a cheat for me just a poop. Woman look about breakfast, give me couldn't eat it, me left in the kitchen, cause I whole like kitchen thinker center, big and miss when me I left. But no worry about that, what you say?
So yo, how we say that far from our up here?
Well, you know, so for me yard, Jesus Christ, I just talk about that, me I come from for me yard. You don't know what happened, look quiet.
What happened?
Me
You
say,
ain't got shot you?
Eh?
You ain't got shot you?
No, right now, me say, me I'll walk with my phone, cause me just a wait for your text. All if your text come in, me I go afraid, you know, me I tremble.
Yeah man, they quick pan in business, you know.
Me I come from the road, a nice, brown, sexy, thick, clean skin.
Hold on, pause this. So you're not one burner. You're not gonna license your business other day.
No, but you can't talk about them.
Oh, okay.
You
May I
must look
listen?
on a car in a
May I
drive, you
listen?
know.
May I listen?
He just look. He look like one girl on a cheat. Jamaican girl on cheat.
Yeah, first I say her.
He first me I see him in my life.
Which girl lad?
What the road he live one look White House over there, so. Saying live with his mother sick.
Hold on there.
That I want thick body girl there. Yes, he come like a tree thickness in having a one. Alicia Keys, Jennifer Lopez, and I want next girl.
But you know, so that the girl, I want nice girl.
Achoo.
Then the girl, they not come out of yard, you know.
That's why her skin so clean.
And me not tell her that the girl all the time, if she passes, so when she go to work, I when the man carry her mother go to clinic. Her mother really sick, you know.
Yes, Kai.
I take care of her mother work and take
You
care of
can't
her
see
mother.
stress on him.
You know,
But
that me
anyhow,
try show you.
me I walk past and he say, hello sir. So me I look catch you, me no know her.
Yeah.
So I say me can't help him take up a bucket of water. So me take up a bucket of water, can't put down on his step and I left her now. She hold on for me and I say, me need to tell him thanks. She not tell me thanks. So I say, sorry man, so he tell me thanks.
Yeah, man. That
So
girl,
me I go again and him a hold me and I ask me what my name. So me flash off me and catch me in one good mood. Me I tell him say, girl, warm tea up.
oh yo, you should do that still, my youth. If you apologize to her, man. My girl a good girl, man. Me I try show you them the girl full of intelligence and everything, man. Me I tell her, man. Them girl a nice girl. Me always admire. Me never say it to her, you know.
You know, so if you talk about it and think about it, you have to look black on it. You know, so you come like, I just feel me stress out, I should not do it with you.
No, man.
You look like a stress.
When I see her again, just make sure you know say sorry about it, man.
If you
A good girl,
apologize,
man. Yeah, man.
true.
A good girl, that man. Believe
True,
me,
you know.
man.
True.
Even though sometimes you have some of them, they trick you on the outside, and when you get to meet them inside, they heart dirty. But the girl that to me see, I me watch her a good girl.
True. But at that, me not come show you still, you know, so
Yeah, man.
me don't know if me I go see him when me I go back up the road. But so me apologize
Right
to
now,
him.
my phone a ring, you know.
Aye, girl, I call
Yeah,
you.
man. From she a call
So you
me.
go choppy.
Bus park.
You go choppy.
Cut it down.
Yeah,
clean.
cut it down.
Yeah, man.
Alright, no worry about nothing.
Just make me know
If you
anything
want
I
next
want.
machete, you call me.
Call if you do.
You remember say me a one burner man.
I know.
You remember say how you go like say I show the business.
I
One
may I say.
I know.
That's
Yo,
right there.
look about here.
Alright.
Bad boy. Hello, Miss.
Yes?
Can I come inside, please?
Yeah, man, come.
Good day again.
Good day.
Just to take off my hat because I'm not really ugly. I only heart look one from far, so I come near now, so I try to show you that I have one good youth.
Okay.
But anyhow, first most, I'm Omar. What's your name?
Alia.
Well, what I really want to say, I really want to apologize for the way I behave and act. You know, because you just not try to be nice. You get what I say, and just show me kind of look stress and problem. I kind of pass my way and lost my way. I'm reach a crossroads, so I'm kind of confused. So I kind of find my way now because I want good friends. So I just come and apologize. You understand? So I just apologize.
Yeah, I understand because it's true, me I got through a lot of stress too. My mother was situation in sick. Me have to run up on the hospital with him in and out. This minute they admit him, this minute they let him out and say he can't come home. By the time he reach home, me have to rush her down there again.
Oh God, man.
So,
Oh God,
it
man.
kind of
So you have to wash and do everything.
Yeah, I wash me wife for me go
That's
to the road
why
and me not get no fob.
You beg me for help to take up the water. So you can go down the road to go look some fab.
But me not get the shop closed so I wait till it open.
Well, if you tell her the honest truth, I'm a married man, you know. But married man can't, you know, have friend talk to somebody. Because sometimes when me have my problem or my stress, I'm going to talk to my friend.
Oh, that's why you be so earlier, because you're married.
Yeah, so I apologize.
But
again.
your marriage don't have nothing to do with this.
No, because the point when I try to show you know, show me kind of behave away, I just try to be nice.
Yeah.
So I just why I mean you say that, I just going to tell you, say, the stress of yourself, your mother and everything, I know you must hard upon you, because I kind of heard about it. So I just say, if you need somebody to talk to, you can just call me.
Oh, so give me a number?
Yeah, man. Just I'll give you the first part of the number. You know, 42, 52, 81, 21, 30. Then you go down around your roundabout and you get 90. That's the first part of the number. So the next part of the number, yeah, that's the last part of the number. Yeah, so you can just lock my number. So if you want to call me more and talk, you just call me, say I'm married, just as a friend, because I'm a married man. So you know you stress out more. You
But
understand?
even for me, your wife not to know.
Well, me I gonna know, you know, and Jesus Christ Almighty I gonna know, you know.
Yeah, but if you not say nothing, I won't.
Well, maybe me not gonna say nothing, but you see my wife now, you see sometimes when me I make love to him and him drop it like it at. Sometimes I just confess.
Well, listen to me. I'm kind of really glad to say you give me a number.
Yes.
As me if you tell the truth, sometimes we really need somebody to talk to.
I know.
So it's like I give me a number now. We
Yes.
can talk, we can meet.
Yes.
Friends.
Friends.
Maybe with a liquor. No.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so
Alright, so how's mommy?
you know, so she inside asleep. So I don't really want to wake her. I want she to eat something, but I make she sleep.
Okay. You go to church?
You know, sometimes
She got church more like how
if me have to carry her,
She have a car.
then me have to bring her.
Alright, more you drop something like collection in a church in the offering for me, you know?
Sure.
Yeah, just put it in the offering. Yeah man, put this in the offering. Yeah. And you know this can help out with your mother prescription.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
good friend, man.
Listen,
Good
one
friend.
more thing. Father God, just pray. And when you go basic school and you're right, and you don't really understand where you're right, but the teacher understand, as sons of Father God understand. Just pray. Anyway you want to pray.
Alright.
Just have a nice day and heal up your mother for me, here.
So me I call her and make we go pray. You hear?
Yeah, we can pray.
Yeah, we are gonna pray.
Alright, big up yourself. And
Alright.
sorry about that again, here. Yeah, man. Yes.
Why this not gonna work, you know? You know how me try it. I have to go call Tia and make you know say deal off. I can't do this. I can't do this, yeah.
Hey man, you know. Tell you say you see me come. See the location right that's up. Hold on. Alright, I see me come.
I have good news. And I have bad news. Choose which one you want to hear first.
That's Christ. Alright. Give me a good one first.
Sure you want the good one first.
Alright, hold on, give me a bad one. Let me sit down.
Sure.
Give me a bad one, let me sit down.
Where you man?
Well, you say I go up on the road, you know. Say my name friend about.
Your woman there at hotel.
In the hotel?
She there at hotel.
So how you know that?
With our next man.
Jesus Christ.
And you want to know how me know too? Yeah, you out of the money you give me. Watch her. So you know you have to give me an extra thing.
That good man, that good.
The youth when we pay now, he might do everything how we supposed to find out.
So where you work on the hotel?
Right. Make the youth put a camera in the room where they must stay and make the youth watch them every move they make.
So in that hotel?
Right now.
So hold on there. So you're bugging phone, you're tracking your
Hack.
you're hacking phone.
Hack. Remember say me a professional now.
Jesus Christ, Father God. Father God, why me? I don't want to know.
You don't need to worry.
Jesus Christ.
So what you want to prove? You want to prove, not true?
Yeah man, more prove. More exhibit 1, not exhibit 2. Exhibit 1.
Alright, me there work pan. When they see me check you, I me send it, go send it in an email. But I threw me a whole heap of client. I work for right now.
Why? Father, me know say your business and me if you stay, yes and you left first. But right now, me not tell a lie. You have it on your say no. Me want go ride the bike, you know. Me want go shit, man. Me can't hold it no longer, man. Me have to go.
Look at idiot girl, where you say I go on now? Whatever you did do, it a work. Cause me need the information to send to me lawyer. And me not see her get back to me, so me have to left her all my way and me yard come check you.
Then now that's why I call you. It not work, you know. It not work. The month I try. Me even try invite him on date. Me touch me, fan me off. It not work.
What you mean by not work? What you mean by not work? Explain to me, cause it come like say. That's what I'm telling you, say I want big fool girl, you know. What you mean by this something not work?
Listen to me, you see want you know, get it, don't want it. Cause me wish, you know, me to have a nice, loving husband like him. You know, more that cherish him. And you there out here pay me for seduce your man. Me just tell her it's not working. He nah move. You see, how me want him to move to it, he nah move to it. He ma find me as make me know say he married. Your husband love you.
Listen what I say now. And I beg you. You understand what I say? I pay if you do a job. So by all means, you're supposed to get the job done. Me no business what you want to do. As long as you don't fall in love with my man, just do what you need to do and get it done. Because a deadline me a work pan. I'm not talking about y'all move lazy like your mama.
Look a girl, me tell you say you call my mother name already, you know, I'm not say no why second time I do it. Me tell you say if you calm, if you just calm yourself and be nice. Talk to me papa, me deal with you papa, be nice no man.
Girl, cause me say you dey test me faith from other day, you know. You test me faith. Because me have to really wonder if I dream. But just because I want the work done, me don't know too much talking with you. You understand?
Say not working,
Listen what me I say. Listen to me and understand what me I say. Me give you part of the money already and this is an extra 100,000. You understand what me I say? So you need to get the work done. Your mother life depend on it. You need to get the work done. Me no business what you need to do. Do it. If I ever you have to spit on you and lick off your back, do it. Get it done. Just not fall in love.
You don't want the man and you don't want nobody fall in love with the man. Look at man love you and cheat good. Tia? Tia, see me want you. Me tell you be nice, you know. Alright, now talk again.
Why, may I tell you, say, can't believe there's no camera chick. You look beautiful. Just as the same you send me on the picture.
Thank you. A compliment that?
Of course, it's a compliment.
Hat your hat.
So, right
Are you
over here,
feeling?
some beautiful, nice little place.
The place look good from outside. I wonder if it look good
And
inside.
it look good inside, just like my heart.
Wow.
My heart is so nice outside. And inside when you get to go deeper, it's all show yours. But you know what I say, come on, I'll go inside. You know what I say, me always say, yo, you want good girl from the first time I go up on your page. Because when I go up on your page, I say, yo, you know, post something now, man, I just be a woman or you. I say you're thing official.
Yeah.
So I like to have your right side of me.
You know, say a long time I have one good man. A long time I don't date nobody, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, one good girl, man. And as I say, me, I'm not too familiar with people, you know. Just me, myself, Paul, and I'm not part with nobody else. You know.
You know, so I have some friend up here.
Which part of here?
I have some friends somewhere up here. T-Dog and Ali, them are my friend. I'm a friend them and up here so they live.
Which side of here they come from?
Somewhere up here, like right up there. So.
What their name?
Coloring Book and Tia.
Oh, me don't know them the people, man. Me a boy, me say me no socialize with nobody. I just know you and my dirty ex. I tell you a deal me some way, my ex-wife and also me. So I just me alone show everything.
You know what? Nobody in my business, you know. Because I don't trust nobody.
I'm a secretive person.
Okay, I like that.
Come on.
phone book. 1 minute.
Hurry up, I'm standing at the phone for
Come now, give me a minute now. Come here now.
Eh?
Come now, give me a minute now.
What you say?
Talk more talk about something. Me not go take long, man. Nah,
Yeah, man, coming up on a rush, what you say?
Where you rush go, so?
Important, man, very
Alright.
important.
You see money ready give me that day? I'm gonna tell
One
some
people last?
No, man, me throw
Oh.
some in the offering and me use some by.
You put your light in the offering?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Me use some by medication for my mother. So
Oh, that is
medication when me get
wonderful,
with
man.
the money,
That is wonderful.
it can last up to a month. So
1 month?
Let me ask you
Oh.
a house for you, man. House, man, thank you very much. And if you past few weeks, may I date as a friend?
Oh, yeah, you're
As a
smart. You got a
friend.
good school, yes.
Yeah, as a friend.
Yes.
Because I really enjoy
Oh,
few
my
weeks
God,
there.
man. That's what friends are for.
So that's why something for my conscience will bother me to eat me alive. So I need to get you off. I have something more to say
Alright.
to you.
You find something upon your conscience
It's
come like it
real
go take you
urgent.
long. So you wanna maybe just go deal with them and deal with them forward because I want to listen to what you say.
But the urgent.
But me have something urgent and the conscience, find something upon your conscience that will take a long. Me soon come here, yeah, and tell mommy hi for me here. Alright, yes. Your father, yeah.
Good news, brother. Good news.
Good news.
Good news.
No bad news tonight.
No bad news today. But when I want to make you know, father,
Yes.
work when I do is still enough. But the woman I cheat with her. At the hotel. The same man who I cheat with her. Who are them work at the same hotel?
The man where my cheat work at the hotel where she work.
Work at the same hotel.
Jesus Christ, Father God.
And our friend know about it.
Chelsea know about
Chelsea
it.
know about it. So she name Chelsea. She's tall and she's slim, right?
Yes.
She know about it.
Chelsea a play me and my wife a play me. Yes, what you say
You
now?
want me to continue?
Yes, continue. I'll wait at me out me heart.
You have to go give me one next piece of fee for all of this when they do. I'll start.
That at least, man.
Are they finishing this, you know?
Yes.
You never check your email.
Me not believe what you say. Me not believe what you say. Me bola, let me check my email. Because me not believe what you say. None at all.
I hit that. The video, the camera, me tell us to set up in the hotel. I hit that. The footage that.
Jesus Christ, Father God. Me can't look at it no more. Can't look at it.
Hold it, man. Hold it, Delroy. Hold it.
Me can't hold it no longer. Me can't hold it.
Hold it, Delroy. Hold it. Hold it.
Jesus Christ.
Feel the fear, man. Feel the pain. But hear me and say, and you're first, now you're last. Come here and feel the type of way how you feel. Just give me the feel. This look right.
Yeah, man. Respect. Then right here, Wally. How you look for me for?
Big man Delroy I cry.
What on? Hey, me say, I wake up and see your text message. Tell me if you can link you. Me happy. Tell me say you do it. Tell me say the job done from me see the text. You know, say the job done. You're not about an idiot. You're not about a fool. You're my friend. Anyways, where your phone there? Send me a message. Send me a WhatsApp message. Come here, wait for the picture, the text message, the call log, every little details that I can get to send the liar. Come now, man.
Yeah.
Why you look so? Hurry up, man.
Yeah.
Talk to me. I mean, I like how you just look down. Now,
Yeah, me can't do it.
what you mean by you can't do it? No, what you mean by you can't do it? Big idiot girl. What you mean by you can't do it? One job you get fit when you can't do it. Me need is something them so me can't get the divorce man.
Yeah, whether me a big idiot or not, me can't do it. Because I'm a good man. Can't do it. Me don't have the heart there. Me don't know where you get it from, but me can't do it. Current book sweet, he nice, he romantic, even when me am good. He talk to me one different kind of way. I wish him they my husband. Me can't do them something to me too good.
So you go fall in love with coloring book. Make you tell me say you can't do it. Me put up on one work. One little work, one little assignment. And you saw you well one man you fall in love. No. So how now me gonna get divorce? How me gonna get it?
Come out of me yard.
How me gonna get
Come out of me.
money? Girl, you see you mash up my plans.
That's, you see, I notice with you is a wicked wife. You're very wicked. Come out of me yard. Me no business about that. That's a fear problem. Go on somewhere else with a problem. I go find someone else to do, but me can't do it. Come out of me yard.
Oh, you mean for say you can't do it, girl? I just want simple something. Alright, here what? Me a triple money. I want 500,000 me a give you. Up to $1 million. Me can't give you.
You're not
please.
Just take your money and push you where sun no shine. Here. Me don't want your money. Me want it from the start. Not because you see me sap. Come out of me yard. Don't test me faith. Come out of me yard and go somewhere else with the business.
Can't be. Girl, I mash up my plans, you know.
Such a good man. Right now, wish I did for me man. Dear wicked wife. And if you choose to be told, I done fall in love with Colin Book already.
Aliyah.
How am you? Colin Book. How am you?
Aliyah.
What happened to you?
Wife a cheat for me. My wife a cheat for me, Aliyah. Him a cheat for me. Maggie 69, him a drop it like he had him a spit for me liquor. But him a cheat for me, Aliyah. Can't manage you no more. Aliyah. Look.
Hush. Hold on there. No, talk of this.
I don't know her name.
Tia. Toga auntie. Tia work up at a hotel with me with Toga. Tia. That's a woman. And Toga.
Aliyah.
Tia.
Aliyah. Oh, you know my wife, Tia. Aliyah. Oh, you know my wife, Tia. Me never tell her what my wife name. Matter of fact, when me I leave you say you have something important to tell me.
Calm down, Colombo. Remember this since even one time I call you and you say you're deep and hurry. I say me have something important to tell you. Tia, pay me to get close to you.
Tia pay you to get close to me. Where you know Tia from?
Me and Tia work at the same hotel.
Jesus, Father. You and him work at the same hotel, so you know Tia all along. Me and your friend. But hold on there. The investigator say Tia best friend at Chelsea no say him a cheat. And the man who him a cheat with it. The two of them work at the same hotel. Also the investigation officer say Tia pay somebody.
Clarence, but me don't do it.
No. I you Tia pay for there with me. Just think can get look of dirt for me. For divorce me. And get everything.
And that me there try to explain to you, but me couldn't do it. Me give her my car money and tell her so me can't do it because you're a good somebody. And more of me don't fall in love with her, me can't do it.
What you say? Oh, you have to fall in love with somebody and you hurt him.
I not hurt you, that's
Me
why
done in a one pit already and you put me down more in the pit.
that's why me I confess to you, me not say Coloring book, me sorry, me not mean to hurt you. But me do it because my mother sick and Tia use it against me. But me no bother do it, me give her back her money. Come me tell her say me can't do it because me I fall in love with you. Please forgive me, me no.
You know, say time. Me there saw crying a ball. But I'm stand up as a man. Me understand the fact say you apologize. You hurt me just like how my wife hurt me.
No, Color, but me not mean to do it. That's what me give her back your
Tell you
money.
the truth, I fall in love with you too. But I couldn't tell her. Because I have my wife and I still a liar. But only one way I can forgive you right now. You have to help me carry down my wife and take him down.
I mean by
Let me tell you.
Can't believe some plan no work. I forgot go to plan B, you know. I forgot go to plan B. Yo, can't believe. Plan B.
How long babes?
Husband.
I pray. I'm telling you.
There. Warm to me? Me just there. Alright, let me get you over with. You cheat for me?
Yeah. Tell you
No,
once.
me
I'm
not
tell you
no
twice.
foolishness.
Me not cheat.
You not cheat?
No, me not cheat.
You not cheat?
Mm-mm.
So how people can tell me so they see you with one brown girl, one tickers, eh? All I give her money and then sitting there. Tell me now. Can't believe say you do this to me.
Tia, shut the hell up! Shut up, me tired of it, man! Me sick and tired of it. Me have one good husband in the relationship and the only thing you do, you abuse me. You a cheat and I make you look like me are the one who a cheat.
But me not cheat.
Tia. The first time I lied to you in my life as your husband, the first time. Me will refresh your memory. You remember what year when you come around a block and you call me and me answer me run at the block and you ask me if me not sleep or me I cry? What me tell you say?
You tell me say I cry because you love me and all these things.
That a lie. That is the first lie me tell you. Tia, me never in a cry because you treat me good. Me I cry because you treat me bad. What you in the bathroom I be and your phone ring? And me answer your phone as a good husband. Yeah, hello? The person say, babes a tugger. Meet back at the same hotel. Because the person say want to make love to you again.
You sure? Mine a wrong number?
All if a wrong number your phone. And when me put on the phone and when me ask you where you go, you say you go to work. And even when me come up a workplace and never there, me not tell you because I never have enough proof. So that's why me round us all cry. And even the point when me round us all cry. When you forward, you hear pull up. You crop. You smell a sex like when ram goat and she goat are. And you tell me lie say you and your friend goat. And if your friend tell lie because you tell him what he say. Because she know everything what you do. Me hire one private investigator. Because me feel like me want to prove. If you know say me husband, me want my wife. My wife a cheat or not cheat. Me feel like me need to know. Because me a stress out myself, me sick and tired. Me a say me have a good man, me have a good wife, me not have a good wife, me tired of it. And when me go up on the app and hire the private investigator. The man give me every information say you cheat on me. How matter of fact, me not go no further. Tia, me just want you to tell me how this. Just look on your and press it. Yeah man, hold on. Let me give it look more better. Where you can see it better. Look on it here. And who that in a hotel? Tugger Dan. Who that, babes? No Tugger Dan that you and him locked down in a hotel and make love. Who no attack, who no want overthrow me. Or you pay somebody for there with me. Where you can't get dirty, send go give a lie and divorce me and get a whole of me money. Eh? Tia, me not deserve this, Tia. Me I want good husband. New before me I want good husband, me I want good man. Them say fi better and for worse, but this is not worse, Tia.
Please, may I beg you. Oh, Jesus.
Tia, I'm me good on for me and propose to you. So true you do wrong and now you want to propose to me again?
Husband, I'm really sorry. May I beg you for forgiveness. Please, husband. Anything when you're doing in life, God forgive you. So you must can forgive your wife.
Forgive you, you know. Forgive you. But you see, sometimes some people are meant to be in your life, but some people never meant to be in your heart. Wifey, them say true love cannot bend. Because if a true love, we can straighten out and I hit again. But this cannot straighten out. One more thing. Me have one more surprise for you. It's a surprise here for anniversary. One more surprise. You know what I know your surprise?
May I wait with it?
The surprise are right behind you.
Behind me?
Yes. Right behind you. One puppy then I represent for True World TV. And for you see the video, that means they made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching True World TV and also this movie that called Wicked Wife. People want to remember a golden rule. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend about True World TV. You know, say one of the best TV. Continue to support us as usual. As a coloring book, so we got be fans in yard and abroad. You understand? A whole heap more movie we are forward, man. So now just stay tuned to the channel. Because a whole heap of Bama go drop. Miss Rona, big up yourself. You understand? Big up all our fans and we say being a support. But for right now, we out. I know!